In this video, I will show you how to move AI images in Canva. To get started, I am currently on the main Canva homepage, where all recent designs and workspace options are displayed. I move my mouse cursor over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the purple Create a Design button. This opens up a menu containing various design templates and options. I select YouTube thumbnail from the list to open up a fresh blank canvas in a new window. Now that the blank canvas has loaded, I am ready to bring in my AI image. I move my cursor over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Uploads tab. The Uploads panel opens up, showing all the media files I have uploaded to my account. I scroll down through my uploaded images until I find the AI portrait photo I want to use. I click on the image, and it immediately appears on the center of my canvas. To make the image fit our workspace better, I click on the bottom corner handle of the frame and drag it outward across the screen to enlarge it until it covers the canvas. Next, I double-click the photo to open the crop controls, adjust the framing slightly so the subjects are centered properly, and then click outside the canvas to apply these adjustments. With the image selected, I head up to the top action toolbar and click on the Edit button. This opens up the Edit Image panel on the left side of the editor. Under the Tools section, I select Magic Layers. A scanning animation appears across the photo as Canva analyzes the visual components and splits the flattened image into separate, editable layer elements. We will wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once finished, a message pops up confirming the image is split into editable layers, and clear outline boxes appear around the subjects. Now I can move each part of the AI image independently. I click on the flower bouquet in the middle and drag it down. Then I click on the woman on the left and shift her over. Next, I select the graduate in the center and move her, followed by clicking on the man on the right to adjust his position. I continue repositioning the subjects and flowers until everything aligns into a new composition. Finally, I click off the canvas to deselect the layers and finalize the layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to move AI images in Canva.